Hey, it's Biddy Penny, and I'm here with a Spellbinders unboxing. I did check before posting this. That's my Happy Mail doing a dance. Does your Happy Mail dance on your desk like mine? Um, so I did check just before posting this video, and it looks like these bundles are sold out, but I still wanted to share it with you because I did an unboxing and, just kind of walk you through what these kits are like. Now I had added a couple of things because honestly they've just been on my wish list for a really long time. The first one, this elephant. I love elephants so much. And this, there was a dimensional sticker in one of their past kits that was this design, and I loved it so much. So I'm so happy to have that. And this, oh my goodness, those bunnies. And the basket will be handy too. So now this is what came in the mystery box. So it was $175 value and it was $40. And I have never done one of these before, and I just wanted to give it a try. Usually in the past I would come to it when it had sold out. So if that just happened to you, I've been there. It's okay. So you will survive, just like me. So these are some of the things. We got a washi tape, which I rolled out for you. These wood butterflies, these cute little doggies. We got a dog in quarantine in March. And so I just love that we got some little metal plate dogs. And then these dies, I don't know. I'll play around with them. I'll see what I can do. I'm not really sure about them. I don't know what they're for or anything. Now this is something I'm really excited about because I have one other embossing folder like this. Like, I have a huge embossing folder collection. But I love that these cut out like those flower centers, and I just think it's so cool to be able to cut and emboss at the same time. This die is pretty dynamic. I'm gonna take it out here and I'm gonna show you all the different layers. So if you're watching this video, I really wanted to take a few of the things out of the packages so you could see what they could do, what they were like. So this one, it's just got so many layers, which is so awesome. So it starts with the smallest one being that circle. Now this is something that will cut out detail, but it won't cut out that shape. So I already have some ideas about this and how I'm going to use it. But then you get an outline die. So next you get this little outline die where you could make like a label or something. This is like the other one. It doesn't cut out the shape, it cuts out the detail. So you can cut all of that detail out of your card base. Or you can make it an element where you can cut around the edges, like make a doily, for example. And this one's the same way. So, you can cut that out into the card base, which I'm showing you here. This is a standard A2. It's a little big. I would honestly use this for a 5.5 by 5.5 card, or I would use it for a 5 by 7 personally. But hey, you do you. So you could cut, if you just use those two pieces, you would get a huge circle that would have, like a really ornate edge. So I love that die set. It has endless possibilities, so many different combinations. This is a cool edge die. I kind of skim over that one. Love this. I can't get enough of foliage and flowers and things like that. So I know this will have a great use in my house. And in fact, I just found out some of our friends are moving out of our neighborhood. Boo! But I want to make them a pretty 3D piece for their new home with that. All right, so this is really cool. I like this. We got my husband a bicycle for Father's Day this year, so this would have come in handy. But anyways, I think it's really cool. I'm gonna bring out the ruler here so you can kind of see how big some of these images are. Like those wheels are like 1 inch and maybe 1 1/8, and so just kind of give you an idea. And oh, these critters are just so cute. I love this one. I feel like the sentiments are missing something for me on this one, to be completely honest, but the critters are really, really lovely and large. You know, they're really good size. I love Fun Stamper's Journey. I didn't find them until they joined Spellbinders, and now I'm just completely in love with them. All right, so I broke this die out, and I'm actually going to cut it for you so you can see what it looks like and what it does. So this is a 6x6 paper pad, and this is kind of a heart when you're done. I don't know if I really consider it a heart, but it's kind of a heart. But it's a pocket, and I make junk journals on occasion. Not as much as I make cards, but I do make them. And so this will come in handy for my junk journals, because you can make this cute little pocket to go inside. So I'm going to bring the junk journal over that I'm working in right now. Oh, I love this one so much. And I'm just going to show you here. So cute. That'll be really handy and just fun to add in. I'm just showing you again. This is an A2 size card. So yeah, that's what that's for, in case you were wondering. Okay. And then there's one other item here. Well, actually there's these buttons, but then there's this. Whew, this one took me a minute, guys. It is just not like, I don't even know if I have it right, to be completely honest. Like, I'm not sure about this, but hey, it came in the bundle. I'm not complaining. But I'm like messing around here trying to figure out, like, how does this thing go together? So then I figured, well, if I bend down these little tabs, that'll give me a clue. That'll help me out. So I kind of fuss around here, and I don't use any adhesive or anything because I'm just trying to figure this out for you on camera. And this is what I came up with. I can't tell you if it's right or not, but it looks like it would fit together, and it's kind of a cool shape. So yeah, there's 6 of those in the bundle. All right, that is everything. Overall, I think it is very good value for the price. I mean, you certainly couldn't buy all of these items for $40 individually. And there's some things in here I wouldn't have normally tried, which is kind of fun. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.